I think we're gonna be tackling this back wall here just because it's easy. And I think that's probably gonna soak up most of this week just because it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter week with missing some days. So what I'm doing today is just going through and doing all the bottom spacers for the girts. The reason why I'm just sort of doing them all at once is just because batching things together like that sometimes can help save me time. That way I'm not having to like switch gears in my brain mid-wall or anything like that. So just seems to make things go by faster, and it's nice because I'll put on a book on tape whenever I'm doing a kind of a boring task like this and make it a little bit more interesting. Well, I just got done doing all of these little guys here, first box, and I learned that I did the wrong measurement to go down another 1.5 inches. So the measurement that I have here is for where the top of the girt needs to go, not where the bottom of the girt needs to go. So now I've got to spend a whole bunch of time cutting it down 1.5 inches and then re-screwing in. Oh, such a bummer. Those wasn't too bad. They shattered pretty easily off the top after I cut them, so pretty quick work of that. Need to make a few more marks on each post, and then we'll get rolling for the day on the girts. Parts of doing the walls is just being able to see view from like the master. Just kind of fun to pretend to be in the finished Shous looking out. Pretty excited about that. Yes, it's just kind of fun to stop and reflect as you're going through. It kind of helps you power through the day-to-day. Today was really interesting just kind of watching some of the other YouTube channels that are building their own homes, and some of them are just starting to get into the part where they're installing appliances and stuff like that. And we're here doing like roughing out the shell still, and it's kind of hard sometimes to know that I'm going to be doing this for another year. Even though I really enjoy it, I still would like a home sooner than that if possible, but unlikely. So while I do enjoy the process quite a lot, I am very excited for the finished product as well. This is just like the most beautiful day. I don't know, it's just the clouds are incredible. The lighting is so unique. I just love being outdoors and getting to enjoy the beauty that God has given us. It's just crazy. I've been missing out on this for so long. Man, the YouTube monetization could not have come in the better time. A few pieces of my equipment are starting to break now, and will likely need to get replaced soon. So very thankful to you guys for that, as we'll be able to get a few fun new toys like new tripods and a new camera, stuff like that. So thank you guys very much for all the support so far. We really appreciate it. Okay, I think this screw will get me by until I can figure out what else I'm gonna do. As of right now, I can't record and use my laser level at the same time, but that's okay. One thing you should be prepared for when building your own home is tons of things to get in the way of you building your house. For instance, car problems. This car, I don't know, it's had all sorts of stuff. Got battery issues, now this. It's probably a nail from the job site. Just be prepared for anything that can go wrong will. Alright guys, that's it for this wall and that's it for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, as always, if you found this video informative or enjoyable, please hit that thumbs up, as it helps us a great deal. And if you're into living a life of freedom and more self-sufficiency, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as we're going to be releasing a lot of cool videos in the future that I think you're going to find useful. We got a lot done this week, and I am super excited about having this wall done, and that's it.